Welcome to my channel, Professor Krish Official. Today we will see how to write a C program to perform various arithmetic operations using functions. When you discuss about function, you should have three elements in a program: function declaration, definition, and a function call. In this question, they asked you to perform various arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. First of all, we declare four respective functions: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division with two arguments a and b and the respective return type integer. Only in the division we have a return type float because there is a possibility of float value when we perform operation of division. The first function definition add, it takes two arguments a and b, it adds the a and b and return the integer result. Then respectively we are doing the subtraction function definition. It takes two arguments and perform the subtraction of a and b and return the result. Next we move on to multiply. It takes two integer argument a, b and it performs the multiplication of a and b and return the result. The last one, we perform a division of a and b. When we perform division, there is a possibility of float value, so we convert the integer into float and we return the float value. In our function definition and the declaration, we given the arguments as integer, but we are returning the float value, so we need to perform typecasting. So here a typecasting is done and the integer value converted into float and it is returned to the user. Next we move on to the main program. In the main program, first we are asking two values x and y. Next we are displaying the menu: 1 addition, next 2 subtraction, 3 multiplication, 4 division. The user have to choose any one of the four. So whatever the choice user selects, that choice will be next collected. Enter the choice. Now they will enter the input. That input will be collected. That is the variable stored in choice. Next we are passing this choice to the switch case. In the switch case we are having the four options. Already you know the options are addition, subtraction, next we are having division and multiplications. So when the user selects 1, addition operation will be performed. When the user selects 2, subtraction operation will be performed. When the user selects 3, multiplication. When the user selects 4, it is division. If user enters anything other than the 1 to 4, then it displays enter a valid input. So in the user, if the user enters choice 1, we will call the function add and we will break. After each case is selected, within the each case we got to give break, otherwise fall through will happen. That means even if any one case is selected, after all the cases will execute default irrespective of the match in the cases. So we should compulsorily give break in each and every case statement. So once a user asked x and y value, they will enter. Based on the choice they select either 1, 2, 3 or 4, the respective operations will be performed. So that is the case in function. Thank you. Take care. If you like this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.